Xiamen Bestwares Enterprise Company Limited was established in 2001. We have been in the plastic tableware business for 23 years. We are specialized in selling and manufacturing all kinds of melamine tableware, bamboo fiber tableware, and plastic tableware. Our factory, Zhangzhou Himake Ecotech Company Limited, has 35 machines and thousands of molds. The monthly capacity of our factories has now surpassed 1.5 million PCS. As a professional tableware supplier, we have professional teams who focus on product development and design, quality control and inspection, and company running. We focus on product quality, competitive prices, safe packaging, and prompt delivery. Therefore, we can fully satisfy your needs and have a large customer base. Our products sell well in Europe, America, South America, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East. The products can pass the food grade test, such as the European Standard Test LFGT. Our factory has passed Walmart audit, CDUX for Pillar, BISI, ISO 9001, GERS, and Disney audit. We provide melamine tableware for Walmart and Aldi Target. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have a high reputation among our customers for our professional services and diversified product designs. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us. On the basis of long-term mutual benefits, we are looking forward to receiving your inquiries. Please enjoy our products.